Now, requirement 351 talks about the storage of PAN. We've already talked about the storage of SAD, which is essentially you can't. But 351 says you can store a PAN, the 16-digit number on the front of a card. The key, though, is the PCI DSS requires you to store it in certain ways. Specifically, you can only approach PAN storage in one of three directions. You can use a one-way hash, hashing the PAN value and making sure that it can't be recovered. You can truncate a PAN, reducing it to, say, the last 4 digits so that you guys can correlate a given transaction to an individual. Key on that is you can't keep both hashed and truncated versions of PAN in the same environment. Just a kind of a key gotcha in that piece. Or you can store PAN using reversible encryption, but in such a way that the keys are well managed and the encryption is strong enough to do so. It is incredibly important to understand that when you store PAN, you're taking on an incredible risk. You are storing people's cardholder data. You are storing financial information for individuals that are using your service. Making sure that you have strong storage is key to ensuring that your environment is, in fact, secure. Now, as a word of advice from an old campaigner, if you don't have to store PAN, do not store PAN. As a matter of fact, if you do not store PAN, very little of requirement 3 even applies to you. But if you are going to store it, everything from requirement 3.5 on becomes key to maintaining your environment.